Welcome back. In news from the region, in Guyana, the captain of the MV Barima broke down in tears during his court appearance at the Georgetown Magistrates Court Tuesday morning. He has been charged with 72 counts of murder. 2 other crew members have also been charged for similar crimes. The captain, 40-year-old Kevin Price, good superintendent, 33-year-old Delon Granderson, and chief mate, 42-year-old Rondell Dwayne Roberts, appeared before Chief Magistrate Judy Latchman, where the charges were formally read to them. The court heard that 72 people have been killed after the MV Barima sank on July 18. Recovery searches are still taking place for another 30 people. It was discovered that many of the passengers were not listed on the passenger manifest. During defense attorney Dexter Todd described the charges as preemptive and performative despite a commission of inquiry underway.
Justice, because the complexity of this matter you could not complete an investigation in terms of the complexity of this matter with such a short time. There are a number of experts that you need to pull together in order to assist in the investigation of this matter. And that is why there's a COI. The primary persons who will have to talk at the COI is the captain of the vessel. The captain of the vessel will have to appear before a COI. Now this man is in prison. And then you're going to have a second issue. There's something we call sub judice, meaning that if a matter is before one court, then not even a commission can look into the affairs of that matter. So there are going to be barriers to the extent that the commission can dive into things.